Hello friends. Today we are going to study about accessibility and inclusion. Accessibility and inclusion are crucial principles in educational technology that aim to ensure that all students, regardless of their abilities, backgrounds, or learning styles, have equal opportunities to access and benefit from educational resources and tools. Here's an explanation of these used in EdTech. Access to learning resources. Accessibility in EdTech means designing and developing digital learning resources and platforms that can be easily accessed and used by all students, including those with disabilities. This includes ensuring that content is available in multiple formats just like text, audio, video, etc., and that navigation is straightforward for everyone. For example, providing closed captions for video benefits both deaf and hearing students. Inclusive design. Inclusion is in EdTech involves designing educational tools and materials in a way that considers the diverse needs and abilities of learners. Inclusive design goes beyond accessibility by focusing on creating learning experiences that are welcoming, supportive, and effective for all students. This can include providing customizable interfaces, flexible content formats, and user friendly options. Assistive technology. EdTech can integrate various assistive technologies to support students with disabilities. These technologies can range from screen readers and voice recognition, software for students with visual impairments, to speech to text tools for those with writing difficulties. By incorporating these tools, EdTech can make learning more accessible and engaging for a broader range of students. Personalization. Inclusive EdTech also recognizes that each student has unique learning needs and preferences. Personalization features such as adaptive learning algorithms and tailored content recommendations help cater to these individual differences. This ensures that students can learn at their own pace and in ways that suit their learning styles. Collaboration and communication tools. Inclusive EdTech platforms often offer features that facilitate communication and collaboration among students. These tools should be designed with accessibility in mind, enabling students with disabilities to participate fully in group discussions, projects, and other collaborative activities. Professional development. It's essential to provide teachers and educators with training on how to use inclusive EdTech effectively. Educators need to understand how to adapt their teaching methods to accommodate students with diverse needs and how to leverage technology to support these efforts. Data and analytics. EdTech platforms can collect data on student performance and engagement. Inclusion in this context means using this data to identify and address any disparities in learning outcomes among different groups of students. Educators can use this information to adjust their teaching strategies and provide additional support where needed. Policy and regulation. Governments and educational institutions often implement policies and regulations to promote accessibility and inclusion in EdTech. These may include guidelines for accessible content creation, requirements for the procurement of accessible technology, and mandates for accessibility training for educators and developers. A universal design for learning. It is an educational framework that emphasizes the creation of flexible learning environments that can accommodate a wide range of learners. EdTech can play a significant role in implementing UDL principles by offering customizable interfaces, varied content formats, and multiple pathways for learning. UDL encourages educators to consider the diverse needs of their students from the outset. Feedback and user testing. Developers of educational technology should actively seek feedback from users, including students with disabilities and educators. User testing involving diverse groups can help identify and address accessibility barriers and usability issues. Regular feedback loops can lead to continuous improvement in the inclusiveness of EdTech products. Community engagement. Inclusion efforts should extend beyond the classroom and involve parents, caregivers, and the broader community. EdTech can facilitate communication and collaboration among these stakeholders, enabling them to support the learning journey of students. Inclusive EdTech should provide options for communication in multiple languages to accommodate diverse cultural backgrounds. Research and innovation. The field of inclusive EdTech is dynamic with ongoing research and innovation. Researchers and developers continually work to create new technologies and strategies that improve accessibility and inclusion. Staying informed about the latest advancements is crucial for educators and institutions seeking to provide the best possible learning experiences for all students. Affordability and access. While adopting cutting edge EdTech is important, it's also essential to consider affordability and access. Ensuring that all students, regardless of economic status, can access the necessary technology is crucial for promoting inclusion. Schools and institutions may need to provide devices or internet access to students who lack them. Professional development and training. Inclusive EdTech often involves a learning curve for educators, providing ongoing professional development and training opportunities is vital to ensure that teachers can effectively integrate technology into their classrooms and accommodate diverse learners. This training should include strategies for using EdTech to support students with special needs. Ethical considerations. In the digital age, issues related to privacy, data security, and digital equity are paramount. Inclusive EdTech should address these concerns to ensure that all students can participate safely and securely in online learning environments. Incorporating accessibility and inclusion into educational technology is not just a matter of compliance or social responsibility. It's about providing every student with the opportunity to succeed and thrive into their educational journey. As technology continues to evolve, the commitment to these principles remains essential to ensure that the benefits of EdTech are available to all, regardless of their individual circumstances. Test yourself. How can universal design for learning principles be practically applied in the development of an advanced educational technology platform? And what specific features would exemplify a UDL complaint system? Discuss the ethical challenges and potential privacy concerns that may arise when implementing inclusive EdTech solutions, especially concerning the collection and use of student data. How can educational institutions strike a balance between data driven personalized learning and student privacy? In the context of professional development for educators, elaborate on the key components of a comprehensive training program that aims to empower teachers with the skills and knowledge needed to effectively integrate inclusive EdTech into their classrooms. How can such training programs be made sustainable and scalable across diverse educational settings? Thank you.